This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, December 27th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You'll see a storm system over the eastern part of the country producing some rain, some showers, and a few isolated thunderstorms over that area, with a new storm over the Pacific Northwest with some rain and mountain snow there. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Winter storm watches over Idaho and Wyoming. Winter weather advisories over the Cascade Mountain range of Washington. And otherwise, it's fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock shows a decent amount of precipitation of at least 1 inch from Mississippi, Alabama, northeastern Maine, but very heavy precipitation over the northwest. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. You see the trough over the eastern part of the country with that storm system there, while the rest of the nation is under a Pacific flow west to east. Here, temperatures will be a little cooler today, with us being on the backside of the storm that's to our east. Temperatures in the lower to middle 30s with a pretty breezy northwest wind. That northwest wind dies down on Wednesday, and temperatures as a result will feel a bit warmer, with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s with mostly sunny skies. Heading into Thursday, bit of a disturbance moves in the area, could produce some rain-snow mix across the area, with likely being snow in the evening, but accumulations are likely not going to happen with that system moving off on Friday and the winds turn southerly. So temperatures will be jumping back into the 40s across the state. And heading into the holiday weekend, temperatures will be fairly decent with upper 30s to mid 40s, but alas, the cool air will win the battle with a frontal system coming through with a few flurries on Saturday. Into Sunday, the winds are out of the northwest, and temperatures drop back into the lower and middle 30s with mostly sunny skies to begin the new year. We head to Monday, and yet again, high pressure moves off to our south, the winds shift back to the south and west, and temperatures warm up again back to a few degrees either side of 40 for highs. A week from today, on the 3rd of January, some energy moving across the U.S.-Canadian border, but you can still see it's pretty much west to east with the zonal flow with little dips here and there. And again, with a system moving just past, the winds shift back to the north and west, but still no snow anywhere close, and temperatures falling back into the 30s. We head further into the month. Here's the 7th, and yet again, pretty zonal flow, bit of a ridge over the south and west, trough over the east and west, and that means we have warm weather again, and that means the temperatures will be likely in the 40s again. When can we get rid of this pattern? And at the end of the forecast on the 11th, you can see pretty upper level feature over the Great Lakes, and the zonal flow has now turned northwesterly across our area, and that means temperatures will begin to drop, with maybe some light snow possible there, but yet again, nothing heavy in the offing in the next 2 weeks. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.